Yeah, after understanding the natal chart, in the next session we will be discussing about the houses. After understanding the natal chart, we will be knowing there are 12 houses in the natal chart, and we will understand what are the 12 houses and their meanings, how it helps us in our life. After understanding the houses and their meanings, we will, in the next class, we will be discussing about the planets and their durations. Once we are understanding the houses and their meanings, then we will have to discuss about the planets and their durations. Like, every planet will have is assigned with a duration through which it travels throughout your natal chart. So we have to understand which all planets have what all durations assigned. With the help of the durations, we can further discuss about the natal chart, furthermore learn prediction about the natal chart. Once we are learning about the durations, after completing the durations, then we are ready for the predictive, we are ready to learn about the predictive principles. What are the principles given in advanced numerology, Vedic astrology, to predict a chart, a natal chart? So we will be learning we will be learning about the principles of the Vedic astrology to predict a chart. After learning about the chart, now we have to, in the next session, we have to understand about the periods and their good and bad effects. Every individual has to undergo, there are various periods, there are main period, there are sub period, there are sub periods. There are three types of periods which has to, in a natal chart, which we have to understand, because every individual's chart has these three basic and major concepts which we have to understand. So we will understand the periods, what period is good, what is a main period, what is a sub period, what is a sub period. So we will understand all those periods, and we will understand the good and bad effects of these periods. And after completing, in the next session, we will see how to calculate the main period, how to calculate the sub period, how to calculate a sub period. So we will understand, once we are understanding the periods, main period, sub period, now in the next level we will have to understand how to calculate a main period, how to calculate a sub period, how to calculate a sub period. Once we are done with the calculation part, after calculating the main period, sub period and sub period, then comes the main predicting factors. Now in this class, we will be learning about the predicting techniques, factors of prediction, how to predict, what exactly is the duration, what exactly is the time, what exactly is the period. Everything comes in the predicting factors period lesson. So everything we can learn about prediction here in this predicting class. After completing the predicting class, in the next class we will be learning about remedies for planets. There are various remedies. There are some good planets, there are some bad planets. Every planet is a good planet, but all the planets have their own goods and bads. So after analyzing the chart, after completing the chart, after predicting the chart, we have to see what are the remedies which is required. Is there are any remedies which is required? If it is required, what kind of remedies we have to do? So all these things we will be discussing in the next lesson. Once we are learning about the remedies, it's all about advanced numerology, and in the next class we will also try to learn about Vastu basics, what exactly is Vastu, what exactly is Feng Shui, and how it helps us in our day-to-day life, how it helps us in making our lives happy, making our home happy. So we will learn about Vastu basics, Vastu concepts, we will learn about Feng Shui basics, Feng Shui concepts, and we will also learn about Vastu remedies and Feng Shui remedies. So this is all we will be learning in this advanced numerology class. Thank you all. We will start with the first session. In the next video, we will be starting on basics of numerology. So thank you all. Please, if you like this, please subscribe to my channel, and you can mail us your reviews, good, bad, whatever it is, and you can mail us your chart for any sort of calculations. You can send us your chart on the address given below, email address given below, and you can log on to the website also, and you can get the details about advanced numerology. Thank you one and all.